So we are a shopping-based app ecosystem launched about 2 years ago in the United States, part of a German company called Baniel. We are in the process of essentially aggregating a large number of consumers into this app environment where we have the opportunity to present them with an offer that's very relevant to where they're basically standing at that moment of time. So part of the process we're doing today is to try to help get a mom, that shopper, the mom, with 2 children in the household, show her really relevant offers that ultimately make her life easier and her shopping process more effective. I would definitely qualify a lot of these app businesses very much still as the Wild West ultimately, right? So there's a lot of sort of opaqueness to sort of how people are building businesses. Nielsen's NetView specifically, we were very early to plug that in after our launch here in the US. We did that because we really do, as a company, believe in a transparent environment. And so what Nielsen NetView has been able to help us do is sort of dispel a lot of that, right? So you can actually see the number of downloads that people have had. You can see the type of engagement that the app generates. You can see how long people have spent in it. From a sales perspective and a sales process, for a lot of our partners, it's been really critical to try to level that playing field and basically create a environment where we can really try to compare apples to apples in the most effective way.
Cool, and tell us a little bit more deeply, the analytics and how you use that. Is it just for yourself? Is it for selling? What's the scope of the data that you can get?
Yeah, for sure. It's been very much an integral part of how our sales team goes to market. We really use pretty much the available data that they give us, which is all the way down to session views and that kind of stuff, to sort of talk to people about how we have scaled somewhere around 8 million downloads, 3 million active users. Those are actually Nielsen numbers. We talk about basically the Nielsen methodology and sort of how they've approached it. That the fact that really you can measure it like you would measure any other media spend using Nielsen, right? And ultimately that becomes sort of a story around our value and what we're actually bringing to the table for the advertisers.